Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an email template in AWeber, step by step in the easiest way possible. First, go to your AWeber dashboard and click on the Messages tab. From the drop-down, select Email Template Manager. This is where you'll find all the tools to design, customize, and manage your email templates. Next, you'll need to choose a starting point. You can start with a blank canvas using Design My Own Template, pick one of AWeber's pre-designed templates, or try the Smart Designer, which automatically builds templates based on your website's design. And if you know a bit of coding, you can even create your own using AWeber's theme language for full control. Once you've picked a style, it's time to customize. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add or remove rows, insert images, text, or buttons, and adjust your design. You can easily edit text just by clicking on it, upload your own images, and tweak the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Don't forget to update your header and footer so everything looks professional and consistent. When you're happy with your design, click Save and Exit or Save as Template. Give it a name and click Save Template to finish. Your new email template will now be ready in the My Templates gallery, so the next time you create an email, you can apply it instantly without starting from scratch. That's it. You've just created your own custom AWeber email template, ready to use anytime.